Today I am doing the problems based on minors and cofactors. Here the problem is find the minors and cofactors of the elements A11, A21 in the determinant delta equal to determinant of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now here we have to find the minor of the element A11. Solution. Minor of the element A11 equal to we have to identify the element A11 lies in which row and which column. So the element A11 lies in first row and first column. So we have to remove here first column and we have to remove first row. Then we get these four elements. Those elements we have to take in a determinant. So determinant of, since the element A11 lies in first column and first row, so first column and first row, when you eliminate we get these four elements. The four elements are A22, A23, A32, A33 equal to, now we know that how to find determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Product of the principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements. So it's equal to A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. Now we have to find minor of A21. Minor of A21 equal to, the element A21 lies in second row and first column. So we have to close first column and second row. So we have to take the remaining four elements. The remaining four elements are A12, A13, A32, A33 equal to A12 into, we take it as A12 into product of principal diagonal elements A33 minus A13 into A32. Now we got the minors of these two elements. Now we have to find the cofactor of A11. We know that the cofactor of any element is defined as cofactor of Aij equal to, the formula is minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of Aij. So here we have to find cofactor of A11. So cofactor of A11 equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into minor of A11 into minor of A11 equal to minus 1 whole power 2 is always equal to plus 1 into minor of A11 equal to, so minor of A11 equal to, we have to remove first row and first column. So by eliminating first row and first column we will have these four elements. So equal to A22, A23, A32, A33 equal to plus of A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. Now we have to find the cofactor of the element A21. Now cofactor of A21 equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into minor of A21 equal to minus 1 whole power 3. Minus 1 whole power 3 equal to minus 1 into minor of A21. Minor of A21 equal to, we have to remove first column and second row. Then the remaining 4 elements are, we have to take in a determinant A12, A13, A32, A33. So minus of, you are having A12 into A33 minus A13 into A32 equal to minus A12 into A33 minus into minus plus A13 into A32. Find the minors and cofactors of all the elements of the determinant 1, minus 2, 4, 3. Now here, first we have to find the minors. Minor of 1 equal to, here the element 1 lies in first row and first column. So we have to close first row and first column. So we will have only one element 3. So that we have to write in a determinant. Determinant of 3 equal to 3. Now minor of minus 2 equal to, the element minus 2 lies in first row and second column. So we have to delete second column and first row. Then we have the element 4, that we should write in a determinant. Determinant of 4 is always equal to 4 only. Now we have to find minor of 4 equal to, we have to take a determinant. Now we have to identify the element 4 lies in which row. The element 4 lies in second row and first column. So we have to delete first column and second row. The remaining elements we have to take in a determinant. So determinant of minus 2 equal to minus 2. Now minor of 3. Minor of 3 equal to determinant of, here the element 3 lies in second row and second column. So close the second column and close the second row. There is only one element, that is 1. So determinant of 1 equal to 1. So we found the minors of each and every element of the determinant. Now we have to find the cofactors. Cofactor of 1 equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j. We know that cofactor of 1 is denoted by A11 here. Minor of this element denoted by M11. This is M12. This is M21. It's called M11. It is M12, M21. This is M22. Now here cofactor of 1. We know that this element is called A11. So that the cofactor of this is equal to A11. A11 equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into minor of 1 into minor of 1 equal to minus 1 whole power 2 into, already we came to know minor of 1 equal to 3. So same element you write there. So minus 1 whole power 2 means plus 1 into 3 equal to plus 3. Now cofactor of minus 2 equal to, this is called A12. So here cofactor of minus 2 equal to A12. Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into minor of minus 2 equal to minus 1 whole power 3 into minor of minus 2 equal to, we have 4. So minus 1 whole power 3 means minus 1 into 4 equal to minus 4. Therefore, cofactor of minus 2 equal to minus 4. Now, cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 4 equal to a to 1 equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into minor of 4 equal to minus 1 whole power 3 into, here already we came to know minor of 4 equal to minus 2. So minor of 4 equal to minus 2. So minus 1 whole power 3 means minus 1 into minus 2 equal to plus 2. Now cofactor of 3 equal to minus 1 whole power, this is denoted by a to 2. So minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 into minor of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 equal to minus 1 whole power 4 into, we have minor of 3 please. Already we have minor of 3 equal to 1. So it implies minus 1 whole power 4 into 1, so plus 1. Find the cofactors of the all the elements of the determinant of A, H, G, H, B, F, G, F, C. Here A11 equal to cofactor of A equal to, whenever we have a 3 by 3 matrix, while finding the cofactors of each and every element, we can take the signs directly, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. We no need to take minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1. So you can take directly the sign. So here cofactor of A is always equal to, first you take the sign plus determinant of, this is nothing but minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 equal to minus 1 whole power 2. Minus 1 whole power 2 equal to plus 1. Into, we should write minor of A. Now here we have to identify the element A lies in which row. The element A lies in first row and first column. So close the first column and first row. The remaining 4 elements are, we have B, F, F, C. So now we know how to find the determinant of this, equal to product of these two elements B into C minus F into F, F square equal to BC minus F square. Now A12 equal to, the element which lies in first row and second column is H here. So cofactor of H. Cofactor of H equal to, here we have minus, so we have to take minus into minor of H. The minor of this element we should find. This element lies in first row and second column. So close the second column, close the first row. So the remaining elements are, we have H, F, G, C. So equal to, we are having minus of H into C minus GF. So equal to GF minus HC. Now A13 equal to cofactor of G equal to, the element G lies, first of all we have to write the sign. The sign is, here we are having plus. Determinant of, we have the element G lies in first row and third column. So close the third column and first row. So the remaining 4 elements are, we have HB GF. So equal to, we can take it as HF minus BG. Now A21 equal to cofactor of H equal to, first here we have to write the sign. The sign is here we are having minus into, we should write minor of H. Minor of H equal to, the element H lies in first column and second row. So close the first column and second row. So now we have the four elements HGFC. So we know how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. So minus of HC minus GF equal to GF minus HC. Now A22 equal to cofactor of P. Now we are having the sign plus here, so take the sign plus first into minor of B we should find now. So the minor of B, the element B lies in second row and second column. So close the second row and second column. So close the second row. So the remaining four elements are AGGC. AGGC equal to AC minus G square. Now cofactor of F. A23 equal to cofactor of F equal to minus of determinant of, close this and close this. So the remaining four elements are, we are having AHGF. So AHGF, it's equal to minus of AF minus HG. So equal to HG minus AF. Now A31 equal to cofactor of G. Cofactor of G. First we have to take the sign plus. So here we have to take the sign plus into minor of G. So to find the minor of G, we have to identify G lies in which row and which column. Here G lies in first column and third row. So close the first column and close the third row. So the remaining elements are, we have HGBF. So equal to plus of HF minus H into F minus B into G. Now A32 equal to cofactor of F equal to minus of determinant of, close this and close this. F lies in third row and second column. So close the second column, close the third row. So the remaining four elements are AGHF. So equal to minus of AF minus HG. So equal to HG minus AF. Now A33 equal to cofactor of C plus of determinant of. Now the element C lies in third row and third column. Close the third column, close the third row. Then the remaining four elements we have to take in a determinant. AHHB equal to plus of AB minus H square. Now whenever you want to find the cofactors of each and every element for a 3 by 3 matrix, we no need to write minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3. If you take minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1, we get plus 1. So we are writing plus directly. A1 to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3 plus 1. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1. Minus 1 whole power 3 minus. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2. Minus 1 whole power 4 plus. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3 minus. Minus 1 whole power 3 plus 1 plus. Minus 1 whole power 3 plus 2 minus. Minus 1 whole power 3 plus 3 6. So minus 1 whole power 6 equal to plus. So whenever you have a determinant of 3 by 3, we can take the signs directly, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. No need to write formula minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of aij. Whenever cofactor of aij is there, that is the formula. So that no need to write, you can write directly the signs. Evaluate determinant of cos 15 degrees, sin 15 degrees, sin 75 degrees, cos 75 degrees. Now here we have determinant of cos 15 degrees, sin 15 degrees, sin 75 degrees, cos 75 degrees equal to product of the principal diagonal elements. Whenever you have a 2 by 2 matrix, for that if you want to find the determinant product of principal diagonal elements, cos 15 into cos 75 minus sin 15 into sin 75 degrees equal to, it's in the form of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B equal to cos of A plus B. Cos of 15 degrees plus 75 degrees equal to cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees means 0. Evaluate determinant of A plus IB, C plus ID minus C plus ID, A minus IB. Determinant of A plus IB, C plus ID minus C plus ID, A minus IB equal to product of the principal diagonal elements minus product of the secondary diagonal elements. So A plus IB into A minus IB minus C plus ID into minus C plus ID. So equal to, it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. So it implies A square minus IB whole square minus A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So it implies ID whole square minus C square equal to A square minus I square into B square minus I square into D square minus C square. So equal to A square minus of minus 1 into B square minus 1 into, we know that I square equal to minus 1. In complex numbers we have I square equal to minus 1. It's a property. So minus D square minus C square equal to A square plus B square minus into minus plus D square plus C square, which is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. Hence we got it.